Why do we face water scarcity, even though water is renewable? Welcome to Navigation to Marks. Let's understand water resources for CBSE Class 10. Water is an indispensable resource for all life on Earth. Its importance spans from individual survival to global ecosystems. Conserving water and using it responsibly is not just an environmental imperative, but a social and economic necessity for a sustainable future. Despite its importance, water resources are under increasing pressure due to population growth, climate change, and unsustainable practices. It is crucial to conserve water and use it judiciously to ensure its availability for future generations. Its importance cannot be overstated. It is essential for drinking, sanitation agriculture, and countless other processes, making access to clean and safe water crucial for individual well-being. Now a question is if the Earth or the world is covered with water. 3/4 and water is a renewable resource. Then how is it that some regions around the globe suffer from water scarcity? What is water scarcity? Water scarcity is a situation in which water is not available in sufficient quantity or quality to meet the needs of people, mainly due to overuse, overexploitation, and unequal distribution of water, even when water resources exist. Why water resources overexploited? Domestic purpose. Agriculture seasons for industries, overpopulation, raising urban areas' urban lifestyle. Hence, fragile water resources are being exploited and have caused their depletion. In some areas, water is sufficiently available, but the area still suffers from water scarcity. Water energy where, not a drop to drink there has been growing concern that even if there is ample water to meet the needs of the people, much of it may be polluted by domestic and industrial waste, chemicals, pesticides, and fertilizers using in agriculture, making water hazardous for human use. Hence, steps were taken by government to improve the quality of water. Jal Jeevan Mission, JJM, aims to enable energy rural household get assured supply of potable piped water at a service level top 55 liters per capita per day regularly on long-term basis by ensuring functionality of tap water connections. So the need of our is to conserve and manage our water resources, to safeguard health hazards to ensure food security, and to protect our activities and also prevent degradation of our mismanagement of water resources and cause an ecological crisis that may have a profound impact on our lives. Multi-purpose river projects and integrated water resources management. To manage and consume water, archaeological and historical records show that from ancient times, we have been constructing sophisticated hydraulic structures like dams built of stone rubble, reservoirs, lakes, embankments, and canals for irrigation. MPP launched after independence with their integrated water resources. MPP as vehicles that would lead nation to development and progress, overcoming the handicap of its. Jawaharlal Nehru proudly proclaimed the dams as the temples of modern India because it would integrate development of agriculture and the village economy with rapid industrialization and growth of the urban economy. Advantages of multi-purpose river projects are irrigation, electricity generation, water supply for domestic and industrial uses, flood control, recreation, tourism and leisure, inland navigation, fish breeding and fisheries development, limitations of multi-purpose river projects, disruption of natural flow and sedimentation issues, poor sediment flow, sedimentation at the reservoir bottom, fragmentation of rivers and impact on aquatic life, blocks fish migration, reduces habitats, increased flood risk, sedimentation in reservoirs, failure during heavy rainfall, submergence and decomposition of vegetation, submergence of floodplains, decomposition of existing vegetation, earthquakes and waterborne diseases, triggered earthquakes, waterborne diseases and pollution, shift to water-intensive and commercial crops, salinization of soil, ecological imbalances. PMKSY has been started, which ensures for protection irrigation for all agriculture farms in the country. Objectives of PMKSY: to enhance the physical access of water on the farms, expand cultivable area under assured irrigation, improve usage of water to reduce wastage, increase availability, both in duration and extent, irrigation and other water-saving technologies. Rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the method of collecting and storing rainwater from rooftops, open areas, or land surfaces for future use, especially during times of water scarcity. Objectives of rainwater harvesting: to conserve rainwater instead of letting it flow away as runoff, to provide drinking water, especially in dry and water-scarce regions, to reduce dependence on rivers, canals, and groundwater, to recharge groundwater levels and prevent wells from drying up, to support agriculture by storing water for irrigation, to prevent water shortage during summer months, to use locally available water resources in an eco-friendly way, to reduce floods and soil erosion by controlling surface runoff. Thank you for watching. To keep learning concepts clearly and score better marks, like, share, and subscribe to Navigation to Marks.